Hey guys, welcome to Mybartender. Today we teach you how to make the Blueberry Bourbon Smash. First add 3 lemon wedges and a half cup of blueberries to your cocktail shaker and muddle. Next add ice to your cocktail shaker. Next add 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon. Next add 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Next add approximately 4 mint leaves. Now shake until well chilled. Next add ice to your rocks glass and pour through a mesh strainer. Finally garnish with blueberries, a lemon wheel, and mint sprig. And that's how you make the Blueberry Bourbon Smash. Cheers.